Want to give your website a fresh new look? Stick with me and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple WordPress tips. Editing your WordPress theme is easier than you think. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Appearance and then Themes. Here, you will see your active theme which you can customize. Now, hit the Customize Site button. This opens the WordPress Customizer, where you can see live previews of every change you make. From here, go into Styles to adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and overall design. As you tweak settings, the preview updates instantly so you can see exactly how your site will look. Play around until you're happy with the design, then click Publish to save your changes. And just like that, your website gets a whole new style without any coding. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy tutorials.